guys, so for today's video, I would be trying out a bunch of makeup products that I just picked up recently. Some of them just launched this past few months, so this would be a first impression kind of thing, so if you want to see that, just keep watching. So first, for my primer, I'm going to be using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. Hindi too bago, but I have a feeling that this would be the right primer for the foundation that I'm going to be using. Next, for my foundation, I'm using the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I first heard of this nung na-review siya ni Kathryn Lights and she loved it, and I just knew I should get my hands on it. Then apply this using a sponge. This foundation is supposed to give you a natural glowing look, and I can see that it really looks natural. And I don't wear foundation on an everyday basis, but I might consider using this one. Next, for my concealer, I'm using this one from the Dr. Jart BB Matte Concealer Kit. This is not new, but this is also lightweight, so I thought it would be a good match for my foundation. And I'm going to be using this sponge again to blend it all over my face. Next, for my powder, I'm using the L'Oreal Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Hindi din to bago, but I just had this a few months ago and I've been loving it. I love the subtle glow and it's not too much for a powder. Just gonna apply that using a powder brush and all over my face. For the brows, the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and nakuha ko siya as a prize along with the other brow products for being the Benefit Brow Star for August. As you can see, it's a 4-in-1 pencil. Okay, so first I'm gonna use a lighter shade to outline my brows. Then I'm gonna use the same shade to fill out my brows. Okay, then I'm gonna be using the deeper shade to fill out the arch area. The definer to define my edges. Then lastly, I'm gonna use the highlighter to highlight my brows. I love the idea that I can do all of that using just one pencil, and now I'm gonna set my brows using the Gimme Brow. For my lashes, I'm using the very famous Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from Loreal. Look ko muna yung lashes ko before putting this on. People have been saying that this is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I also have that one, kaya I can compare. Yes, you can see that this is a dupe when it comes to giving you that extra volume for your lashes. So next, for my bronzer, I'm using the ColourPop pressed powder cheek bronzer, and I think this is in the shade Afternoon Delight, Snow. Then I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush to apply it all over my face. Next for my blush, I'm using a tint. It's the Generation Happy Skin Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Serene. Part 2 ng collab ni Kathryn Bernardo with Happy Skin. I'm just gonna apply 3 dots on my cheeks and blend it out using my fingers. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this tint. I think maganda to use for your everyday makeup kasi it gives you that natural color on your cheeks and it claims to be long-lasting, so plus points for that. Lastly, for my lips, I'm using Maine Lipstick with MAC. So it comes in a regular MAC lipstick package and it's a matte finish. The color is a peachy color. This reminds me so much of the Kinda Sexy from MAC, but I think this one is more on the cool tone side and this one parang warm tone siya. Both peachy and they're both wearable, so there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!